Hello, I'm SophiYah with Virtue Vibe. Today we're going to be making fresh tomato salsa. Gather up your vegetables and cooking utensils. We've got tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, along with a few limes and some garlic cloves. I'm also adding canned corn and diced tomatoes to give it more body, but this is optional. Now, we're going to start mixing up our spices and sour ingredients. I started with a few tablespoons of white vinegar. Sprinkle some chili powder and ground cumin, along with a little onion powder, garlic powder, a pinch of cayenne, and black pepper. Freshly chopped cilantro is also a great addition. Slice your limes in half and begin juicing them. It gets really tiring since limes are much harder than lemons. But bottled lime juice works also, by the way. Add a spoon of honey and mix thoroughly. Garlic cloves are both easy and hard to do. You can chop them into tiny pieces and then use the flat side of the knife to press them into a mash like I did, or you could take the easy way out and use a garlic mincer. Or you can take the even easier way out and use pre-minced garlic, whichever you like. Now, let's start chopping our vegetables. I like to make sure all my vegetables are the same size, because when making a good salsa, consistency is a must, at least for me. I first make thin slices and then chop them into dices. Once all of your veggies are chopped and put into a bowl, the only thing left to do is add that spicy sour mixture we made earlier. Once everything is mixed thoroughly, take a dip with your spoon to taste test it. If needed, add more seasonings, with your primary seasonings being ground cumin and chili powder. This salsa can store for nearly a week and a half refrigerated in an airtight container. You can prolong its shelf life by canning or jarring it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Subscribe and stay tuned for more from Virtue Vibe.